Right, now I've got the plate from Mesu the other day, which is this particular piece here, and that is now connected onto my mount, which is pretty good, and a bit wide angled so I can tell you a bit more, but they're the two 20 kilo weights on the side back there, onto the mount itself, and the telescope is now on it as well. It's all balanced up. I did that the other day, and so far so good. So into the thing, I'll just put the battery part onto this piece here. My finger, that goes onto there, and that operates the fans, these three fans for the cooling down the mirrors. I'm going to take that back out again, stop them a minute, put that down there, and there's the Cytec controller, Cytec 2 or Servo Controller 2 from Sidewall Technology, which is what operates the mount itself. It's not been polar lined yet. I've not had a chance to. The weather's been absolute rubbish to do that. But here's the controller which we use. The speed, there's 3 settings apparently on this one. I don't know what those buttons up there. I know they're 4, but I've not had a chance to operate them yet. But if you press it once on there, which I'll do once I've got the power on, it'll speed up, or slew to whatever star you want to slew to, or planet, or whichever that I'm going to look at. If you press the button again, it slows it down to a tracking speed, as they call it, which is very slow. And if you press it again, it goes to guide speed. So that's if you're using the guider. So that's the mount there. I'm going to come inside. And there we are, that's inside the, what's in there. I've got the telescope on, I've got my gyroscope on top of that as well, already sorted out. And the telescope is a 10-inch Altair astrograph, which I'll show you in a minute properly on that sorted out. So I think the power's on anyway there, so I'm going to switch it on. Yep, all the lights are flashing. It's now on slew at the moment. Pan there in the orange and guide in the green, which I'm not lit up at the moment because it's on slew speed, and they're the two auxiliary sections there for both the motors that drive the thing, which is one of them's there and the other one is there. And as it's a friction drive mount, they're permanently connected at the present moment. I'm going to, in a minute, to move this, I'm going to have to, we've got locking arms, they've got locking keys, which I shall sort them out in a minute. So let's go and do that now. On the floor. Now then, these here, which I'm touching now, are the locking keys, so I need to take that one out, and there's one up here as well, just here. My finger is, if you can see that at the moment, which I don't think you can. Just there. Oh, I'll undo it anyway. So that's that locking one done as well. Finger is. It's a bit dark in here at the moment, so but now they're disconnected. So I'm going to come around to the mount, as it is now on, and I'll see what speed I'm on at the present moment. But what I have done so far at the moment is to bolted the with this particular bolt in the middle. It's bolted through the plate underneath here, underneath there. We can see, you can't see them properly anyway. Yeah? That bolt in the middle there, which is now tightened, and this particular one here is the one that you do for your left and right Altaz, and the Altaz what's in for the Polestar. This one here, which I'm looking at now, you undo the main thing there, hold your telescope because it unlocks this big plate here. At the moment it's on 50 degrees, which is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 50 degrees at the moment, but I think where I am at the moment is about 53 degrees to the pole. So basically that's the rough measurement, and then when you come onto this here, you have it unlocked, and then when you look at the pole star, which you can't do on here, you've got it on doing a computer, or if you get the pole master you can get that, which I'm hoping to get. It's up to the wife. And you can undo these knurl here, and you basically undo them or do them up, which moves this bolt here onto the pole itself, up and down. And this particular one here, you can undo that or undo this, undo that bolt there, and what it does, it slides it. There's a slide thing here, just here. I know you can't see it at the moment, but try and get over there. There's a part there which you then slide. You can move the telescope that way or that way, and unfortunately it's red light here. I've got enough light there at the moment. That's a bit better with the door open. It stays open, that is, which it won't. And let's stop that a minute.